Okay, got that piece done. I'm starting to get some good looking welds right along through here. Back to some crappy welds, but down here it was really difficult to get any good beads, but that can all be ground down. So just a little bit more to patch down there in the middle, and this hole right here, and I'll be done here. I got this one last piece on this side done, fitting in pretty good, and I just gotta get that middle piece to be done. Okay, so this rocker panel is going to be cut off right here. This part here is all going to be left. So since we have a lot of holes here, we're going to go ahead and put in some new metal so that we have a good edge to weld to for our new rocker. So I'm just going to go ahead and spot weld those in there. I'm back here at the welding store. Picked up another bottle of C25 gas. $92. That first bottle ran out pretty quick, so I was a little bit surprised, but we're ready to go in for the next one. Okay, Jim's been working on these rocker panels. He's still got to remove this inner rocker panel here. And he's been doing some more cutting into the body there, so I'm not exactly sure what his process is, but I'm letting him make these kind of big decisions as to how that's going to go. So I'm seeing him this Friday. We'll see how much farther we can get on this side. Alright, my job this week is to go ahead and fabricate some new pieces. These actually we're going to redo, and we're going to bend them up so that they fit on the inside of here with a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to make those. Make a patch panel for here, patch panel here, one here, and one for here. And I'm noticing that this bolt broke off, so I'm going to have to go on the underside, and there's a nut that's in there that's, I'm going to have to cut that nut to get it out of there and replace that with a new nut and bolt that holds the fender on. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Okay, I got these things, these spot welds ground down here and ready for some fiberglass. I got this little patch piece spot welded in here. I'm going to do another piece over here. And Jim's been telling me that it's more efficient just to use spot welds. We're going to just put fiberglass over those. Doesn't have to be solid welds all the way around like I was doing before. So that'll save some material, and these are in places that are just going to be covered up anyway. So yeah, looking good.